Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an app on your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and delete an app? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're going to do first is that you're going to go ahead and open up your home screen, which looks like this tab right over here. And then one way to actually go ahead and delete an app, but not necessarily delete it, and what I mean by is move, you could actually click and hold in an app. So let's pretend that we no longer use Disney Plus. If we take our remote and press the center clicker icon right over here and hold it, you'll see that you can move the app, okay? So maybe you want to move the Disney Plus app out of the way, so at least you still have it, but it's out of the way. Now, as far as deleting an app goes, what you want to do is that you want to go into the App Store, which is right over here. And then from the App Store, you want to go into the Settings tab, which is in the upper right-hand corner here. Next, you want to find the app that you want to delete. So let's go ahead and find our Disney Plus app that we were moving before. So here we have Disney Plus. Hover over the app you want to delete and then click on Delete. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete an app on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.